Shall I take up the next question?
Yes, Anusha.
So, how to search job as a on the LinkedIn, and how to get alerts and notification about any job openings on LinkedIn
Okay,
as
sure.
a fresher, obviously.
Sure,
Yeah.
I'll take you through that. Before that, here is a section where you can go and search your jobs. Prior searching the job, let me tell you something to get the alerts on page. Okay, see, this is just an example. Location-wise, it's not relevant. So my school page, this is a company, education company or e-learning kind of company where I'm not following till now. So now I'll click on follow. So I will be able to receive the notifications of this company page, like whatever jobs they post.
So whatever the company you're looking, you're interested in working, so you should go to the company page exactly and follow them. So we'll be getting a notification of the same if any openings are there.
Yeah, see now, HR executive post, for this job, they have posted a job 21 hours ago. If they post something else now, then I'll be able
You'll be notified.
Yeah, I'll be notified. Like this, number of companies which I follow should increase so that I'll have, and you will get the similar type of companies as well.
Okay.
Just a second.
So they can just go to the company page and apply there itself, right?
I'll take you through that. I'm just trying to show something where they can follow the similar type of companies. For example, they are interested in Infosys. They have followed the page. They will get the notifications. So along with that, they will be able to find some more companies which are similar to that.
All right.
Okay. So I think you are able to see here.
Yeah.
Following. See, Tata Consultancies, Infosys, it's a service.
Wipro, Cognizant,
similar kind of service companies I'll be able to see, which are either the competitors or they have the similar kind of services or falls into the same fraternity and industry. So I can follow. Then I'll be able to get better notifications. So this is just about the following the official page of particular companies. Now I'll show how we can search the job. Okay. So if I am a Java developer, and looking for Bangalore location. Okay, so these are the jobs available in the market for Java developers. Okay, so something which is posted 1 month ago might have been closed now. This might not be available. There is no point. Here are the filters which we can utilize.
Okay.
I just look into only jobs which are posted few weeks ago or less than 3 weeks.
Right. Like recent jobs. All right.
Yes. So experience level, entry level, if at all my experience is less than 2 or something, associate up to 5-6 years of experience. Mid-senior generally falls more than 8 years of experience. Director and executive, someone who has 10 plus 15 plus years of experience. So I'm just trying for entry level for someone. And company, if I'm specific and if I know that the position is open, otherwise let it be. And job type, I'm looking for, now I doubt that people will be so specific.
Okay.
And, LinkedIn features, let's not use, so that you'll be able to see more jobs. Okay.
So here limited amount of filters.
Yes. So I can directly apply. It will take you
apply
to
there.
Career site.
Okay.
Or sometimes, if at all, here is apply on LinkedIn. It will not be redirected anywhere.
Okay. And, directly from your LinkedIn profile now.
Yes. Directly we can apply.
Okay.
Yeah, like this.
Okay.
Or sometimes it is called as easy apply as well. You can submit the application. You can add your resume here. Once you add, next time you don't need to add again. It will default. It will be default attached, and you can submit.
Okay, fine. Just got it. Okay. Fine. That was helpful for searching jobs and getting alerts and notification and how to apply job as well.
Yes.
Yeah. Fine. So then next question is how to.
The purpose of showing this job searching is you will not be able to search something random, read some other job poster or something else. You'll be particular about what exactly it is, how many years of experience, and location-wise, everything will be specific.
Yeah. Fine. So,
and alerts, just a second. Sorry, I just messed up. Alerts, see, here is your recent job search, Java developer, 8 new jobs, 6 new jobs. So this will show in your recent alerts or recent job search. Every time you don't need to put this filter, every time you don't need to update this and check. So just you click here, you'll be able to see some updated jobs.
Okay. So